Hi and welcome to another Lola makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you how to apply dark lipstick. Starting with the lip pencil in Cinnamon, I'll begin to apply it on the lips by outlining them first. It's a very creamy pencil, so it'll be very easy to line the lips with. I love this colour, this is one of my favourites, especially if you're looking to wear more of a darker lipstick. So this is the perfect pencil to use if you're going to create a dark lipstick look. I start on the Cupid's bow and I draw straight lines outwards to line the lip. I prefer to start at the top, that's just how I like to do my lips and how I like to do other people's lips. I love outlining a Cupid's bow. Then I do the lower lip. So the aim is just to make sure we have even shaped lips. Then after lining them, I fill them in. This makes the lipstick colour last longer and also it looks very flattering. I prefer to fill in my lips when I'm wearing a lipstick, but I prefer not to fill in my lips if I just want my lips to appear bigger, so I put gloss on top of it. But we're gonna make some dark lip look, which looks amazing. So I'm just gonna fill this in. And I like to make sure that my lines are even so that the lip look stands out better. So just perfecting all the little lines, making sure we go from all the way from the Cupid's bow to the corner of the mouth, really filling every little spot. As you can see, the pencil is really creamy, so it's so easy to apply it onto the lips. I always make sure the Cupid's bow is filled to perfection. That's how I know I've created the perfect lip look. Then taking the Lola lipstick in Berry Crush 035, I begin to apply it to the lips with a brush. You can go straight from the bullet and apply it onto the lips, but for more precision you can use a small brush. I prefer to use a brush if I'm being very precise and I want my lines to be sharp, and I also use it so I make sure that I match up with all the lines that I created with the lip pencil. It's very easy to use. This lipstick is super moisturizing, it's got vitamin E in it, so it's going to be very hydrating for the lips. So not only can you wear a dark lipstick confidently, you'll look really pretty in it and your lips will be moisturized throughout the night, which is awesome because we don't want dry lips, we want really nice moisturized lips. And once the lips are filled, your look is finished.